Yeah, there's the 4 seconds in case this is on. So I'm going to read Del Mar College Dreams Delivered Biology Associates in Science degree. Available at the East Campus. Program Overview. Biology courses represent a content area within Del Mar College's Department of Natural Sciences. This field of study can lead to an associate's degree in biology. The associate's degree, in addition to the biology concentration, also requires 6 hours of sophomore level math courses, which could generally consist of Math 2413, Calculus 1, and Math 2342, Statistical Methods and Probability. These degrees are accepted and courses are transferable to college and universities for those pursuing a Bachelor's of Arts or Bachelor's of Science degree in biology, as well as related baccalaureate degrees such as environmental science and biomedical sciences. The biology program also provides content area courses for the Associates of Arts in teaching grades 8 through 12 and EC through 12 other than special education. Students planning to continue at a senior college should consult an advisor concerning degree requirements of the college to which transfer is intended. And I still don't know what 4-year college I'm going to go to. But the Biology Associate in Science suggested transfer plan, first semester Biology 1406, Biology Concepts 1, Cellular and Molecular, that's the class I'm going to be having now. Chemistry 1411, General Inorganic Chemistry 1, I'll be taking that later. English 1301, Composition 1, I finished that my first year. United States History, History 1301. I just finished that this semester. Or Mexican American History 1. I finished that last semester. Math 1314, which is college algebra. I'm going to take that later. Second semester, Biology 1407, Biological Concepts 2, Evolution, Diversity, Structure, Function, and Environment. Chemistry 1412, Inorganic Chemistry, Chemistry 2. English 1302, Composition 2. History 1302, United States History 2, or History 2328, Mexican American History 2. I've had U.S. History 2 already. In a creative arts core elective, I had music. Or rock and roll history, something like that. Third semester, Chemistry 2323, Inorganic Chemistry 1. Chemistry 2123, Organic Chemistry Lab. Government 2305, Federal Government, Federal Constitution and Topics, and I've just finished that one. Language, Philosophy, and Culture Core elective. Biology elective, Biology 2306, Environmental Biology, and Biology 2106, Environmental Biology Lab. Biology 2416, Genetics, or Biology 2421, Microbiology. I'm sleepy. Biology elective, Biology 2306, Environmental Biology, and Biology, Texas Government, I don't even remember where I was reading. But let's see, total semester hours for associate's degree is 60 hours. For the associate's degree in science, 60 hours chosen from the above plan to include the core curriculum and the 8 hours of 2000 level biology. Students must demonstrate the use of basic computer skills through Chemistry 1411, Chemistry 1412, Biology 1406, and Biology 1407. Students should check specific requirements of the college or university to which they plan to transfer. I have no idea where I want to go to school yet. I think I have Biology 1406 is what Danny signed me up for. Biology 1406, Biological Concepts 1, Cellular and Molecular, provides a foundation in biological concepts for students majoring in the sciences, includes fundamentals of molecular biology, cell structure and function, cellular respiration, photosynthesis, cell reproduction, genetics, and biotechnology. Students should take courses from the majors track sequence, Biology 1406, 1407, 1411, and 1413. Or the non-sciences major sequence, biology 1308, 1408, and 1309, 1409, but not both. Credit given for only one of the biology 1308, 1406, or 1408. Prerequisite is 1 year each of high school biology and chemistry, or concurrent enrollment in chemistry 1411. Must have a level 3 in reading and English and a level 2 in math. Distribution is the natural sciences. Okay, so that's basically the class I'm going to take. And let's see, biology 1406 is what I think I have. 1406. Let's see. Enter. Biology study sets. Quizlet. I think with Quizlet you have to buy it or something. I don't know how that works. But I just want some lecture notes. Let's see what this says. I just want to read some lecture notes. This is pretty cool. I like this. Oh, here we go. Chapter 1, Themes. This is a pretty good one. From the Houston Community College. Chapter 1, Themes. To print or download this file, click the link below. Evolution, the themes of biology and scientific inquiry. Inquiry about life. An organism's adaptation to its environment are the results of evolution. For example, the seeds of the dandelion are moved by wind due to their parachute-like structures. Evolution is the process of change that has transformed life on Earth. Biology is the scientific study of life. Biologists ask questions such as how a single cell develops into an organism, how the human mind works, how living things interact in communities. Life defies a simple one-sentence definition. Life is recognized by what living things do. The study of life reveals common themes. Biology is the subject of an enormous scope. There are 5 unifying themes: organization, information, energy and matter, interactions, and evolution. Some properties of life are reproduction, response to the environment, growth and development, energy processing, order, evolutionary adaptation, and regulation. The themes of this book make the connections across different areas of biology. Biology consists of more than memorizing factual details. Themes help organize biological information. Theme. New properties emerge at each level in the biological hierarchy. Life can be studied at different levels, from molecules to the entire living planet. The study of life can be divided into different levels of the biological organization. Biological organization is based on the hierarchy of structural levels, each building on the levels below. Emergent properties. Emergent properties result from the arrangement and interaction of parts within a system. Each level of biological organization has arrangement and interaction of parts as the complexity increases. Emergent properties characterize non-biological entities as well. For example, a functioning bicycle emerges only when the necessary parts connect in the correct way. Atoms and molecules. Atoms are the simplest form organized into complex biological molecules. A molecule is a chemical structure consisting of 2 or more atoms. Biological molecules are organized into structures called organelles, the components of the cell. Cells are the fundamental structure and functional unit of living organisms. Individual living things are called organisms. Some organisms consist of a unicellular and others a multicellular in structure. All organisms, whether unicellular or multicellular, must accomplish the same functions like the uptaking and processing of nutrients, excretion of wastes, response to environmental stimuli, and reproduction. Tissues, organs, and organ systems. In multicellular organisms, exhibit three structural levels above the cell. Similar cells are grouped into tissues. Several tissues coordinate to form organs, and several organs form an organ system. Organisms make up population, localized groups of organisms belonging to the same species. Population of several species in the same area combine to form a biological community. Populations interact with their physical environment to form an ecosystem. The biosphere consists of all the environments on Earth that are inhabited by life. The power and limitations of reductionism. Reductionism is the reduction of complex systems to simpler components that are more tangible to study. For example, studying the molecular structure of DNA helps us to understand the chemical basis of inheritance. An understanding of biological balances, reductionism with the study of emergent properties. For example, new understanding comes from studying the interactions of DNA with other molecules. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, bacteria and archaea, microorganisms, no membrane enclosed. Organelles, no nucleus. In general, they are smaller in size, microscopic, and less complex than eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, protista, fungi, plants, and animals, membrane enclosed organelles, nucleus is present. In general, they are 10 times larger in size and more complex than prokaryotic cells. Cells are an organism's basic unit of structure and function. The cell is the lowest cell of an the lowest level of organization that can perform all activities required for life. Every cell is enclosed by a membrane that regulates the passage of materials between the cell and its surroundings. Every cell uses DNA as its genetic information. Theme: life's processes involve the expression and transmission of genetic information. Chromosomes contain a cell's genetic material in the form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Each chromosome has one very long DNA molecule that contains hundreds or thousands of genes arranged along its length. The DNA of chromosomes replicates as the cell prepares to divide. A parental cell divides into two cellular offspring cells that inherit a complete set of genes. DNA is the substance of genes. Genes are the units of the inheritance that transmit information from parents to offspring. It's 13 minutes of boring the fuck out of you.